How to use pattern tool in PicsArt. Hello guys, welcome back to PicsArt. In this video I'll show you how to do that. So quick one, just come and open your PicsArt right away. So to use the pattern tool, come to the search option here, then search for pattern. Okay, so I typed it, then just search for pattern. So they're going to give you some images you can utilize. I'll use this image here. Okay, so I'll just need to use this image. Tap on use image. Then I'll start downloading the image. As you can see, you need to first download this image that you're going to use as a pattern tool before you can use it. Otherwise, if you don't download it, then you won't be able to use it. Okay, so after downloading it, just come and tap on use. Okay, it's still downloading, so let's be patient a bit. Okay, so it's done downloading, so just need to close that. Okay, so now I just come to this side, then I look for add photo. So I'm adding a photo. I'll come and choose this photo here. Then I click on add. Now I adjust this photo. So after adjusting it, I'm going to cut it out. Just cut out the person so that the pattern tool can come out well. Just click on person like that. So after clicking on this person, I just tap on this option which says person. Then after tapping on that option, it will automatically cut out the person, then remove the background. So after doing that, tap on the stick. Then as you can see, this person will be brought here, and you would have utilized the pattern tool in PicsArt. So after doing that, you can come and tap on the stick, then save your video, and you'll find it in your gallery. Okay, so thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video.